Hello students, today our topic is drainage. So it is very interesting topic we can talk about, like see the main point, like what is a drainage. Okay, so the drainage, what is exactly a drainage is, like the river system of an area is known as the drainage. Okay, so if you see this picture, you can observe that the sources of the river will be in the upper course and the meanders will be in the middle course and the delta and oxbow will be in the lower course. The flow, when it comes down, the flow, so it will be occur, meanders, oxbow and delta will occur. Okay, so upper course river features included the steep sided V-shaped valley, interlocking spurs, rapids, waterfalls and gorges. Middle course river features included the wider. Okay, the lower course river features included the wide flat bottomed valley. So this is called the meanders. So the curved shape, the curves we will always known it as a meanders. So according to the land formation, sometimes it will occur, the meanders will occur in that way. Okay, because the force will be less if we talk about, like when we come into the middle course, the force will become less. A meander is one of a series of regular sinuous curves, bends, loops, turns or winding in the channel of a river, streams of other water courses. It is produced by a stream of a river, and this is what oxbow. So this oxbow, sometimes it will occur beside the river. According to the land shape and all, it will form the oxbow lakes. It is actually, we will call it as a oxbow lake, the curved one, that is called the oxbow lake. So an oxbow lake is a U-shaped lake that forms when a wide meanders of a river is cut off, creating a free-standing body of water. Okay, so oxbow lakes, such lakes are found in India. Mostly in India we can found. Okay, so this is the Indian rivers and lakes, the diversions and the everything which is formed. If you observe the extreme north, the Indus river is there, and Ganga river, Yamuna river, Brahmaputra river is in Assam. So these are all the connections between one river to the other river. Okay, the Indian rivers interlinks is a proposed large scale civil engineering projects that aims to effectively manage water resources in India by linking Indian rivers by a network of reservoirs. So these are the different types of lakes. Okay, so volcanic lakes, oxbow lake, glacier lake, tectonic lakes, artificial lakes and oases. Okay, so as I told you that even oxbow is a lake, glacier lakes. Okay, so this picture shows that it is an artificial pond. Okay, so this is an artificial pond which is made by man. Okay, so this is, it will be mostly in a parks or some restaurant, some big hotels, like that. It will, they will create this kind of ponds. Now if you see, this is river, or a river, like which is like, actually the river formation will happen mainly the because of the melting snow, the rivers are formed. Okay, so if we talk about the many types of rivers, like two types of river mostly we can talk, the Himalayan river as well as the peninsular river. Okay, so this river, Himalayan river, will never dry up, the flow will be there throughout the year. Okay, so that is called an Himalayan rivers. Whereas if we talk about peninsular river, it is it will be like in a seasonal way. Like if we talk about Ganga river, Mahanadi river and Kaveri river, these rivers will come under the peninsular river. So this will go according to the seasonal way. It will dry up. If it is in a summer season, it will dry up. Okay, but whereas if we talk about Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, these all rivers will never dry up. Okay, and these like if we talk about the east side rivers like in Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, these rivers will join in Bay of Bengal. All these rivers will mix up in the Bay of Bengal sea, and where whatever the seas which is in the west side, it will join in the Arabian Sea. Understood? So from the north to the south, the connections of the links are there, which whatever the rivers the links are there, it will come into the west side. Rivers will go into the Arabian Sea, and the east side rivers will go into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so if we talk about the Ganga river system, the headwaters of the Ganga called the Bhagirathi. Okay, so it is a Gangotri glaciers which is joined by the Alaknanda at Prayag in Uttarakhand. Okay, so if we talk about the different types of rivers which it is joined in some different types of rivers. So this is what the drainage lesson. So that's all for today. We'll catch you later. Okay.